Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a Notion page and invite someone to collaborate. First, click on New Database in the left sidebar to open the page you want to share. The page opens in your main workspace area, and you'll see the database title at the top with your content below it. Once the page loads, click the Share button at the top right of your screen to open the sharing menu. A Share panel slides in from the right side, overlaying your workspace. In the Share menu, you'll see two tabs, Publish and Share, with the Share tab showing options for inviting people and copying a link. The Publish tab lets you create a public web version, while Share controls who can access the page directly in Notion. Click Copy Link to copy the page URL to your clipboard, and a message appears letting you know the link's been copied, but only you can open it until you grant access. This link is specific to this page and won't work for others until you've invited them or changed the page permissions. Now to invite someone, click into the email or group field at the top of the Share menu. Your cursor appears in the field ready for you to type an email address. Type in the email address you want to invite. For this example, I'm using test@gmail.com, and a matching user appears in the drop-down below. If they're already a Notion user, the drop-down shows their profile picture and name. Otherwise, it shows the email address you typed with an option to invite them as a guest. Click the user from the drop-down to select them. Then click the Share button to send the invitation. The invited user now appears in the list of people with access, and they'll receive an email notification with a link to open the page. If you need to remove someone's access later, open the Share menu again, find their name in the list, and click the X icon next to it. You can also change permission levels by clicking on the Can Edit drop-down next to each person's name and choosing Can View or Can Comment instead. The Publish tab lets you make the page publicly viewable on the web with its own URL, which is useful if you want to share a portfolio or knowledge base outside your workspace without requiring a Notion login. And that's how to share a Notion page and invite a collaborator. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.